that is the content mapper. For this example, I will use the destination content types. So let's go into the ImpulseSync and start that job right away. Let's take a look to the content destination. There is nothing in space B, and we have, I believe, 17 in space A. And let's see the content models for those. In space A, you can see that it has two different description fields, short and long description. But in space B, it only has one single description field. ImpulseSync can manipulate the value of these fields in multiple ways. For example, we could merge like the short and long description into a single field. Impulse could create a new field in space B if required. Another application that we can run is like finding and replacing using regex. But in this case, HRG decided to sync only the long description into the description in space B. Let me show you the job mapper for this one. You can see under the field mappings that the long description is going to be saved under the description field in space B. Another cool feature that you can set up using ImpulseSync is the field data types. You could change that in order to be transformed into a different data type. For example, space A could be a long text and space B could be a rich text. ImpulseSync will handle the transformation from a standard text into contentful rich text. We have experienced that this is a very, very common case among the contentful users. And let's go back to the destination and see if it already finished. It seems like it did. And let's go and refresh this. And as you can see, all 17 from space A are living in space B. And let's go into Alaska here in space A. And also let's go into Alaska here in space B. And you can see that the content from the long description in space A was transformed into description after the sync.